Okay, so welcome to today's market review. We're talking about what happened on the from 9th of May to the 13th of May. Okay, so let me give you the order of this review. We are actually going to take a look at what I was expecting for the past week. That is from the 2nd of May to about the 6th of May. Okay, what I was talking about in the previous video. You would have, if you care to know what I was talking about, you have to watch that particular video, and then what actually happened in the markets, and then what I'm expecting this coming week or this coming trading week to do. Okay, in the dollar index, everything that I do in the dollar index, I always do the reverse for all foreign currencies. So the reverse for EURUSD, that's my main pair that I actually trade. Okay, so let's get into the chart. So in the previous video I was talking about the fact that, you know, this was the last week, that's the last day of that particular trading week, which is 6th of May, and then I was actually expecting that if price takes out this high, I'm likely to consider going bullish on the dollar index, and then if price takes out this low, I'm most likely we're going to wait for a retracement back into the range and going to consider going short. Okay, so on the Monday, this particular Monday, this candle is Sunday's trading day, which is not counted actually. This is Monday. On Monday we took out this particular high right here. Okay, and then we dropped lower, and then for the rest of the day, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we were bullish, and on Friday we had a little bit of a retracement. Okay, a little bit of retracement. Okay, so my expectation for the coming week is that for the dollar index, I'm still bullish since we've taken out this high, and you see price continue to go higher. I'm still going to go bullish on the dollar index, and this is my target level, 105.650. That's my target level. Okay, that's my target level. And so in considering bullish for the dollar index, or you're looking forward for bullish prices in the dollar index, I'm actually expecting bearish prices in the EURUSD or all other foreign currencies. Okay, so that's how I do it. And then for the foreign currency, for EURUSD, I'm looking at this particular low, 1.03400 level to be run, which is about let me see, about 70 pips from where price is at currently. Okay, now this level is obtained from the monthly equal high that we are seeing right here. Okay, so monthly equal low, this level. Okay, these two candles right here, yeah, is what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at. All right, so that is it for the EURUSD and then the dollar index. All right, so let's see what news event we have for the coming week. Okay, so for the coming week, on Monday we have a little bit of low impact news. So majority of the high impact news are stacked on the Tuesday. Okay, on Tuesday, which is in the New York session. All right, so you have to be very careful when trading on Tuesday in the New York session, getting to that evening. Okay, there are actually higher or high impact news that are going to be in circulation. Okay, and we have to be mindful of that. So aside that, the other trading weeks are much medium, and then no news actually. On Monday we have only 2, and then on Wednesday you have 1, and then Thursday you have like 3, then Friday nothing. All right, so I think you just have to be mindful on Tuesday, and then we see how the trading goes. All right, so thank you very much for watching. Let's see what the market has to offer. Now remember, forecasting or forex trading is not based on absolution. Okay, there was nothing which is absolute. It's all about probability and probability and probability. Okay,